everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at Triple H RV here in Haleyville, Alabama. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Today we're going to be looking at a 2024 Gulfstream Ameri-lite, model number 24 RLS. So let's get started. The length on this Ameri-lite is 28 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 5,050 pounds, and that hitch weight is a merely 580 pounds. So that's
yes, definitely half-ton towable. So this is going to be a great floor plan if you're just wanting something light, or if you're starting out. Hey, this might be what you're looking for.
Now this is, some of them we've seen they had the fiberglass, but now this is the,
yeah, this has got the aluminum siding.
Yeah.
All right, here on your pass-through storage, actually pretty decent size pass-through storage to be a smaller unit. And it is going to have manual jacks. Your dump area is going to be
slam latches. Sorry.
Yeah, you get slam latches. Dump area is right here. You got a shower right above it. This one's not very long. It's not going to take me long to go around it. There is not a ladder on the back of this one, but it is prepped for a backup camera.
And what a window.
And that is a
gorgeous,
huge window.
They'll give you a tire cover.
Yep, your spare's already there.
We had to buy our tire cover.
We did. And here on your campsite.
Hey, now look at here.
So you
The
get
little
a
fridge. Oh, it's buckled in.
yeah, it's all strapped in, and a little ice maker right here.
Ice maker. Those are so cool. Hey, if any of our subscribers have any of these ice makers, let us know down in the comments how they are before we buy one.
We're considering one, and so we want to know. We want to know somebody else's opinion on them. All right, we'll finish out this side with the other door on your pass-through. Again, just a nice view there, so you can see how much space you've got.
Wow.
Power awning. It's going to have
no idea.
LED light strip. We're not sure of the length on it. I'm going to say probably
16.
Yeah.
Yeah.
14 to 16 feet, something like that.
All right, here we go. America.
Let's go on in, take a look. We'll just start right here as you come in the door. So this is going to be your huge window at the back. You are going to have a jackknife sofa in this one, so it will let down if you need some extra sleeping. Yes, huge. That is a huge window, and it's got to open. It opens there at the bottom. This sofa you can actually store under it if you need to.
Yeah. Oh, well, it just fall with you too.
Yeah, well, this jackknife. So kids or a short adult could sleep on that one. You're going to have power and USB on both sides. Actually, good size end tables there.
I like that.
On those, and you've got some open there so you can stash things in it. In your slide, you have, I'm going to just have a seat. It's really hot, guys. Huge.
Big U-shape.
U-shaped dinette up here. And of course, it will also make additional sleeping if you need it. So, got a light there in a slide, and you've got a window that will open. And I'm standing next to the door, and it's a tiny bit of breeze coming through here. So let me swing around real quick. Your controls are going to be right up there as you come in the door. Here in your kitchen area.
I'm sorry, I'm just reading this, that the optional fiberglass sidewall. So
you can go either way.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay. Coming in here, you're going to have a couple of little drawers down here at the bottom.
Hey.
That's kind of a long way to reach for your drawers,
yeah.
But hey, at least you have drawers.
I'm going to tell you something. I like this countertop.
Yes,
that is different.
It's not solid surface, but it's a Formica. Well, yeah. I mean,
that is really sharp.
It looks very much like solid surfaces.
It's almost like something you would put in your house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, up at the top, you're going to have a nice big storage area, cabinet up there.
Unless it's Karen, and then you know it's all solid surface. Sorry, she'll probably hate me for that one.
Yeah, she'll tell you about that. Got your microwave there. It's going to be right above your 3-burner cooktop. And you got a little oven.
Yep. And you got a little storage.
Yeah, here's going to be your single basin sink, high-rise faucet.
Okay, I kind of like the sink too.
Yeah, you've got some storage underneath it. There's another light right up there, and there's a plug-in under there. So,
there we go.
Yeah, if you need to put your coffee maker up here, you got a great space for it. This is going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge.
Yep.
Fuses are going to be right below it.
And
then your entertainment is going to go up here. I don't know if you're going to be able to get a very big TV up there. I'm going to say maybe a 40-inch at the most.
Yeah, about a 40.
Yeah, it's not a lot of space up there, but it's already ready to put up. Your fireplace is going to be a little bit higher on this one because you've got your storage at the bottom on it. And you will notice there's no heat in the floor. Your vent's going to be, there's one over here, and I don't know that I see another one.
Huh.
Okay, so.
Okay.
All right.
Well, if it anything like a heater like ours, you won't need it very long.
Oh, no, we never turn our furnace on because it's way too hot. Okay, you got an AC unit right up here. And going into the bathroom, this is going to be a pass-through bath.
Hey.
So you have a corner shower with a skylight up there, and hey, Jerry's 6 feet tall, so you know, pretty good headroom there. Yeah. You have a linen closet right here. And that's actually a good sized linen closet, to be perfectly honest.
It's a good thing to get along so good.
It is. But then look at all these shelves you got over here behind your foot flush toilet. I mean, wow. You could just get all kinds of things back here. I'm going to get in here and close the door.
This is a nice sized bathroom.
It is. Medicine cabinet up here with a mirror. You've got a plug-in. Nice size sink. A little bit of storage right below that. And again, this is a pass-through storage, so you'll see that you actually have the whole... Oh, and they give you a locking doorknob.
Locks. Yes. So you can't come in here on me.
All right, this is going to be a north-south queen bed. You've got some storage over here. There's not a hanging bar. Huh. All right.
No.
Let's see what this side has. This side has got your hanging bar.
Okay.
All right. Well, that makes sense. And there's an open area across the top.
Okay, I kind of like this wallboard.
Oh, I kind of do too. I mean, I really do.
You know, we don't agree on a lot of stuff, but
that we do. Storage underneath the bed. I didn't point out power and USB on both sides. And if you want to add a TV
and a light switch,
and it's going to go right up there in that corner. All right.
I'm just saying, light switch.
And there's your heating in your bedroom, so it is in the wall.
Well, all right, this is cool.
All right, and again, here's the door going back into your main. And hey, there's a lock on this one too.
All right, everybody. If you like this Ameri-lite, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.